On this short video, I'm going to talk about density of your fuels. Now, these are the standard hydrometers. They come through different ranges, as does for the fuel specification, whether it be ultra low sulfur diesel or gas oil. These are calibrated and certified to a standard, indicating all at 15 degrees. Which out of the field can be a bit difficult because you need like a temperature probe. In fact, I'll just test this one. So as we've got a fuel there in our vessel, now to maintain the fuel at 15 degrees is very difficult. This one should be around about 15 degrees, so that temperature will come down. Now this is all in the field, it's all very messy because you're not guaranteed to always get 15 degrees and give a correct value on its specific gravity. So you have a standard hydrometer with our fuel, another calibrated one, but our preferred one is this one here from Brady Instruments from America. And we found that it's actually very accurate, and what it has there is a give and take, is a plus and minus reading, because this unit is auto compensating because of the bulb at the bottom and the unit at the back. So it's very much like a normal tester that you'd use on battery acid or whatever. It looks exactly the same, however this is designed specifically just for fuel. Not cheap, but we found it excellent for the field work, and so there's a lot messing about, and you don't have to be taking temperature readings and then doing calculations to bearing the factors of temperature to specific gravity for volume. So we have our normal road diesel that you got for forecut that we've been using all the time, and our standard gas oil red diesel that's used in industry and agriculture. And as you can see here, our density at 15 degrees, which it's all measured in, is we've got a range between 820 and 835 on ultra low sulfur diesel. And these have, and as you can see, for flash points is 56 to 80. Now the density is a measurement of basically its energy, of its capability of energy. So at that density it should be at that flash point, but that cetane index, and will give you a known value of energy. Any deviations from that as it increases up to its maximum also has an impact then within the flash point range. Same here on the gas oil, your red diesel. So as you say on the data sheet here, has a range of 820 to 866 at 15 degrees. And if we scroll down, correlation here to flash point, it's relative with its density, 55 and 80. So we have a minimum and we have a maximum or a typical. So within these ranges here, when we do a test, if they're within that spec, the fuel is good. If it's lower, it's of a poorer quality, therefore you're getting less energy, which means that your equipment is working harder to produce the power that's required to whether it be driving fire pumps or whatever. So this is your standard. It's actually at 17 degrees. I don't know if you can actually see that. We're on 40 there, so it's 840. But we'd have to then do a calculation because of the temperature change, and that would actually bring us down probably to about 838. Whereas with this unit here, as you can see, just does it all for you. No big calculations, just rather a minus or a plus because of the temperature variance, which is instant results on site, and gives you a good indication of the state of the fuel. So that was only a very short video just to show you some of the bits of equipment that we use for density, just out of interest really. Right, thanks for watching, catch you on the next one.